Otherwise, agronomist David, thank God. On the farm today to expected farm in Monopashi, that is Castina. Let me show you some things you have to take note of in terms of nutrients and thinning of your what? Of your plant. This is a maize field. As you can see, we are in a maize field of over 25 hectares. Yeah? Okay. When you look at this plant, what do you notice? It's pale yellow. Pale yellow. What is it lacking? It's telling you that it's lacking what? It's lacking nitrogen. There is no nitrogen sufficient enough. And when you look at the tip of the plant, you are seeing a tip bone. Look at it, you are seeing a tip bone. This was lack of what? Potassium. And look at this, you see a purple coloration. This is lack of what? Lack of phosphorus. Lack of phosphorus causes what? Purple coloration. The symptoms are shown as purple coloration of the plant. And what this plant definitely needs is what? NPK. When you give it NPK 20-10-10 or NPK 27-13-13, after 2 weeks, that is, you have to do it 2 weeks of 2 weeks after emerging, you apply, another 2 weeks you apply, and another 2 weeks you apply. If you are using NPK 20-10-10, you can do it in what? You need 3 to 4 bags per hectare. Then you have to use 3 bags of NPK 20-10-10 and 1 bag of urea. You mix it up. You use it for your first application. Then the second application, you do the same. The third application, you use, if you can get NPK 15-15-15, you use with combination of NPK 15-15 mixed with 1 bag of urea. That is 2 bags of NPK 15-15 with 1 bag of urea. You apply, you are good to go. Maize fertilizer application on your maize before 45 days. 3 times before 45 days. That is the first 2 weeks after germination, and the next 2 weeks, and the next 2 weeks. Before 45 days, you are done with nutrients. With that, if you have done this fertilizer application at this due time, you can be rest assured for what? Your 7 to 10 tons per hectare. When the rain is enough for you, or you have irrigation facility, then you have nothing to worry about. What you do next is what? To control your what? Your insect infestation, like the fall armyworm, which is a very good friend of maize. Like if you can see this already, as young as this armyworm is already trying to attack this plant. You can see armyworm is attacking. The worms are armyworms. Fall armyworms are larvae of butterflies and some insects that already germinate, that hatch to feed on the younger, the soft succulent part of the maize crop for them to grow into adults. And again, another lesson you have to learn today is this. In the place here, the planter is supposed to plant 2 seeds per hole, but we are having 3 seeds per hole here. You take a look at the one that is not vigorous enough, you remove. This is called thinning. You take it off. You don't allow them to grow. Like this, we have 4 per hole. We have 4 per hole here. You have to what? Take 2 out. Leave the most vigorous one out of it. If it's that you want to transplant, you can also transplant. Where there are spaces, you transplant. But all these places are filled up, so you just have to remove them. It's very, very important for you to maximize your nutrients and maximize the yield. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask and call on us. Like and share the video for it to reach every community, every farming community. God bless you all.